everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm packing for going to the UK. It's my first time ever going out of the country and I'm super excited. Okay, so the first category I'm going to be getting into is toiletries. And you know, girls gotta have some toiletries because how are you gonna survive, you know? So I got this Downy wrinkle eraser and it will keep my dresses that I'm going to be showing you guys later nice and wrinkle free. And then let's see what else we got here. We got some Suave conditioner and I also got shampoo. So I bought this like bottle from Target and then I put sea salt spray so I can give my hair some nice texture because I won't have time to straighten my hair. And then I got some shaving cream. And that's what I have in my quart size bag. So what I packed in my backpack, and I'm not fully done packing, I'm just going to show you guys what I'll be putting in it and everything. But I have in this little pouch some hand sanitizer, Tylenol, Band-Aids in case I get a splinter, some toothpaste, and this really cute pink toothbrush, and you can just like and brush your teeth. It's really cute. And then I have this deodorant, and I also got a mini hairbrush. It's really cute. And then in this pouch, there's like a pouch right here with a zipper. I have some wipes, face wipes, cause you know, once I get off the plane and stuff. So what else I'm going to be putting in this is my camera, and I'm going to be packing an outfit in there. So when we arrive in London, I'm going to change into it, so it's a lot easier than finding my suitcase and digging in it and all that fun stuff. Okay, so the next item I got for the plane, I don't know where my neck pillow is, but I have these Bluetooth headphones. They're really nice. I have to charge them before. And first, like the security and stuff, like so they don't pickpocket you and all that, I'm gonna be wearing this belt when I get there, and it has like a pouch for like your passport, and I'm gonna be putting like my phone maybe in there, and I think it's a really good idea. And I also got this, it's by the brand Compass Rose, and it's a thing you can like hook around your bra and you can put money in there, so you don't have to like dig under like your dress and search for your money, because that's kind of like unladylike. And you can just some sunglasses for the trip. Pretty cute. Okay, so the next thing I'll be showing you guys is my suitcase. It's an Away suitcase and it's really nice. There's like little, I don't know if you can see, you can have a combination and you can just slide that over and it'll release these because they're locked in there, and you can just unzip it. It's pretty cool. And it comes with a charging port in the back, but I'm charging that right now, so it's fully charged for my trip tomorrow. Inside there's a lot of cool things in there. I'll show you. So the suitcase has some pretty cool features. Inside it has this little bag that is included, and it has 3 plugs. I thought there was 4, but maybe there's just 3. And there's one for like the different countries. I'll be using this one, but because it's a European one. It has like an Australian one and all that, so you'll be set on plugs. But I still got I don't know where I went, but it's a adapter, I think it's called. Yeah. Then I also got these Away packing cubes. You can pack like your clothes and stuff in here, and it's like nice and organized and everything. And the cool thing about this suitcase is it has like a laundry bag like that comes out of it, and you can just like put your laundry in there and fold it back up. And so I got this out of it was charging, so it's it's the thing that goes in the suitcase, so you can charge your phone while you're at the airport. It's pretty convenient, everything, you know. Okay, so the next items I'll be showing you guys are my shoes that I'll be bringing along. We're going to be walking around like 10 to 12 miles a day, so you know, you have to find some comfy shoes. And I got these at DSW. They're the Roxy. They're really comfy. They have like memory foam in them. They're nice and white and cute. Then the next two are like, I don't know how they're pronounced, the Sanuk, like these ones. And there's this one, and in all black. And these are literally the comfiest sandals like ever, like hands down, 10 out of 10, you know. Okay, so when you open it, there's this, which I have my packing cubes, and I have all my dresses. My mom helped me. She put like all my dresses into this one, and she folded everything. Then this has, I think, like my sleep shorts and my shirt. I think it has some other things like an umbrella, and all that fun stuff. And then you can flip this over, unzip this. I just have a few things in here because I wanted to have enough room in case I want to bring souvenirs. And I have my shoes all in this one. I have my 2 plugs. I'm gonna add more to that in the morning. And then this is just my stuff that the TSA needs to check, which is my like toiletries and everything. So then I still have some room for like souvenirs and everything and all. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.